In today's video, we are going to uncover a very delicate, powdery, very slight powdery chocolate kind of gourmand scent, which is Nasomatto Pardon. So I really enjoy and love this Nasomatto Pardon. This is the bottle, this is the juice. It's only 30 ml, and I really love and enjoy this cap over here. Feels like wood. I think it is made of plastic, but really nice texture, very nice cap. So this is a minimal bottle design, and I really love and enjoy this design. Now about the scent. Now why I like this powdery scent. Most of the scents that are powdery or have the vibe of like cosmetics vibe, where I smell like lipsticks or nail polishes, I really hate that stuff. I really don't enjoy that at all. I want my perfume to be sweet, more, you can say, more towards leaning towards oriental like spices, and maybe a light floral and mostly woody aromatic. So this is basically a gourmand scent which is slightly powdery, and I'm going to describe its scent or smell in most you can say easier way to understand. So when you smell this, this is going to be the dry down. So whenever you smell the tip of your perfume, this is going to be the dry down of that perfume. It is slight powdery, sweet, a little bit of floral vibe into it. I think there is some flower, but it is not very you can say itchy or very spiky or very soft floral. That is almost undetectable. Light woody, maybe I can say it is dry. It is dry, and it has some chocolate, very light chocolate. It is not like you are smelling some kids candy on your under your nose. It is very delicate chocolate, very good use of chocolate note over here. So I mostly don't enjoy gourmand scents a lot. My choices are mostly oriental or spicy scents along with woody, some wood elements. Here they have sandalwood. They say there is oud in it. Then we have some magnolia. Then there is chocolate. So this is basically also have cinnamon. So cinnamon is one of my favorite notes along with sandalwood. So you can see that is why I really enjoy this one. So make sure whenever you look for a perfume, try to see the notes they have and also the designer. Most of the time you have to look for the brand that is more you can say more suited for your nose. There are people or blenders that blend perfumes that are going to go well with you. For example, I mostly enjoy Nasomatto and Amouage perfumes more other than maybe so whenever you have to find the brand you like or that is very close to you. Okay, so this is mostly chocolate. The initial spray is really cool. Let me spray it on a strip over here, and sprayer is also very nice. So this is some flower chocolate, light floral, sweet, very delicate. So this is the effect I'm getting from it. Delicate, soft, chocolate, gourmand, light florals, sweet. So I personally think that it is more suited for women. So if you ask me, I would love my wife to wear it rather than on myself. So that is all about this pardon. Let me use the cap over here. I have another strip where I have the dry down. Dry down is mostly powdery, light woody like sandalwood, very light floral and light powder. So it is a bit of light powdery smell, and with some sweetness and chocolate and gourmand effect, very nicely blended. So that is my review about Nasomatto Pardon. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you sample this before you buy it. I would really recommend. I think it is very non-offensive perfume. I think it's a safe buy for women, and it's not too much that you have to throw it away. You can easily use it. Maybe where the weather is very cold, you can use this one. This is really nice. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, try to share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in another video with a new scent. Till then, take care. Bye.